The sun shone brightly, casting a golden hue over the city. It was a beautiful day in Bengaluru, perfect for the annual Kite Festival. The sky was filled with colorful kites of all shapes and sizes, dancing in the wind. It was the annual Kite Festival, a day eagerly awaited by everyone in the city.
On a rooftop, a young boy named Rahul carefully prepared his kite, his eyes filled with determination. He wanted to win the kite fight, a competition that brought out the best kite flyers.
Rahul looked at his kite, a simple creation compared to the elaborate designs around him. It was not as fancy as the others. Could he still win? He wondered, feeling a mix of hope and doubt.
Suddenly, 4 figures appeared on the rooftop, catching Rahul by surprise. They were science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, personified as friendly characters.
"We're here to help you, Rahul," they said in unison, their voices filled with encouragement.
Win the kite fight. Show them what you can do.
Rahul was amazed by their support and felt a surge of confidence. Could they really help him? With newfound hope, he decided to give it his best shot.
Let's talk about how kites fly. Have you ever wondered what makes a kite soar high in the sky? It's a fascinating blend of science and nature. It's all about air, wind, and forces. These elements work together to create the magic of flight. Science explains that air pushes on the kite. This push is due to air pressure, which is a crucial factor in kite flying. This is called air pressure. When the wind blows against the kite, it creates a force that helps it to rise. The wind provides the force to lift the kite. This force is known as lift, and it's what makes the kite ascend into the sky. When the wind pushes on the kite, it creates lift. The stronger the wind, the higher the kite can go. The kite's angle against the wind, called the angle of attack, also affects the lift. Adjusting this angle can help control the kite's flight.
Rahul listened intently. He was fascinated by the science behind kite flying. He was starting to understand. The concepts of air pressure, lift, and angle of attack were becoming clear to him.
And don't forget about drag. Drag is another important force in kite flying. Drag is the force that slows the kite down. It acts opposite to the direction of the wind. A streamlined kite will have less drag. This means it can fly more smoothly and efficiently, cutting through the air with ease.
Now for the fun part, design. The shape and structure of your kite are crucial. Engineering pointed out that a well-balanced kite with a strong frame flies better. See how the sticks are arranged? This forms a sturdy frame, and the kite's shape helps it catch the wind efficiently.
Rahul examined his kite's frame.
You can even add a tail for stability. It helps to balance the kite and keep it from spinning.
With the help of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, Rahul was ready. He had spent weeks preparing for this moment, learning the intricacies of kite design and the physics of flight. His teachers had given him valuable insights, and he had practiced tirelessly on his rooftop. He launched his kite, and it soared into the sky. The kite fight began. Rahul remembered their advice. He recalled the principles of aerodynamics and how the shape of his kite would affect its performance. He used the wind to his advantage. By understanding the wind patterns, he could maneuver his kite with precision. He adjusted the tension in the string, making sure his kite stayed stable. He kept his kite at the right angle. This was crucial for maintaining lift and ensuring his kite could outlast the others. He remembered the lessons on angles and forces. He even used his kite string to outmaneuver his opponents. The string was specially coated to be both strong and flexible, allowing him to make sharp turns and sudden dives. Finally, Rahul's kite was the last one flying. His heart raced with excitement as he realized he had outlasted all the other competitors. He had won. Rahul cheered. The crowd around him erupted in applause, and he felt a sense of accomplishment like never before. He had learned that STEM wasn't just about textbooks and classrooms. It was about applying knowledge to real-world situations and seeing the results firsthand. It was everywhere, even in a simple kite fight. The principles he had learned were all around him, in every aspect of life. From that day on, Rahul saw the magic of STEM in everything he did. Whether it was flying a kite or solving a math problem, he knew that the skills he had gained would help him succeed.